My name is Edgar O. Piquero with my partner.
I'm always in Bahon. What is one challenging experience I have overcome in the past year?
One example of challenging experience you might be overcome in the past year could be balancing your demanding work coursework as a third year philosophy with student, other personal responsibilities and times and workload deadlines and the pressure to perform academically may have felt overwhelming, but through persistence and management and self-discipline, you were able to adapt, pri- prioritize, and keep moving forward.
Ch- What personal qualities or strategy helped me get through it?
Resilience, you don't give up despite the stress and pressure and keep moving forward even things felt overwhelming. Discipline and management, you learned to prioritize tasks, organize your schedule, and set aside focused study time to stay on top of deadlines.
What did I learn about myself during that time?
You might have learned that you are more capable and resilient than you first thought. Despite the stress and challenges, you discovered that you can handle heavy responsibilities and adapt under pressure. You might have also realized the importance of the discipline, balance, and seeking support when needed, which slow you. That growth often happens in difficult moments. Most importantly, you learn that with persistence and the right strategies, you can overcome obstac- obstacles and keep moving forward.
What are the current source of stress in my life?
Futures can and certainly thinking about career paths, opportunities, and graduation, or rather studies. Times management, balancing studies with personal responsibilities, social life, and self-care. Expectation, both self-imposing to excel and from others, family, mentors, peers.
What support or strategies might help me cope better?
Seeking guidance, taking with professor, mentors, or peers for academic support and advice. Building a support system, leaning on family and friends for encouragement and understanding. Self-care practice, making time for rest, experience, hobbies, and mindfulness to reduce stress.